Guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Groupon app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down, click here on my stuff down here, just click on it. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on email preferences here, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. So you just switch in here to open video. Then you go down here until here you found marketing emails. Click in this sign or this color like you see. So then you click here on yes, send me the email here. So then it's going to disable video here. You go down, click on save preference, then it's going to save video here when you click on save preferences. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.